Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom URL for your channel. Of course, there are certain rules. You have to have at least 100 subscribers. Not only that, you have to have a picture here, and you have to have this. I mean, not exactly this, but you have to have at least, your channel needs to be at least 30 days old, and you need to have, a background and a picture. But it's actually quite easy once you do that. You go to my channel. Then, of course, video manager, and of course you see all these videos I have. You go to channel, partner verified. Of course, all that's going to change in a few more days because of their new rules. But custom URL, mine's of course Ferrari King. But you're going to click on this, and then you just follow the steps, which is actually quite easy. Let's see what happens if I do this. Of course, it goes to mine. But basically, it's going to just tell you, you click it, claim it, it'll give you a couple suggestions. Usually it's going to be wherever your YouTube channel name already is. And then that's going to give you your YouTube channel. I mean, your URL right here. It might take a couple minutes for it to show up, but you do need to have at least 100 subscribers. It's actually a very good tool to use and a very good thing to have. I would highly suggest you do it if you have 100 subscribers. Of course, it's going to tell you something about your Google Plus account. They changed their rules. I guess your videos will no longer go to Google Plus or something. I'm not sure. I didn't pay attention. I never use Google Plus anyways. I'm rarely on the Google Plus. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and all that other good stuff. Thanks.